Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide distance on Tinder. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you ever want to hide your distance or turn off your distance on Tinder, then follow the steps. Tap Open Tinder application and log into your account if necessary. Once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right hand corner from the main home page. This will open up your profile. Now tap on Edit Profile option right beneath your name. Scroll all the way down until you see Don't Show My Distance option under Control Your Profile. Enable the button right next to it and you'll be able to hide your distance on Tinder. But remember that you must be subscribed to Get Tinder Plus in order to enable the settings. That is how you can easily hide your distance on Tinder. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.